Cooking with Joy, where cooking is simple. Do you know why carrots are superfoods? They are full of antioxidants which support your body in fighting inflammation and cellular damage. The best month to plant carrots is mid-April. One seed produces 1 carrot, and it takes 55 to 80 days to grow, and we want to share this delicious and simple recipe, carrot pasta. You will need 3 carrots without the top skin. Peel all carrots to the core. 1 tablespoon of butter, no salt, 1 clove of garlic chopped already, 1 tablespoon of parsley salt and pepper as you wish, 1 tablespoon on chopped onions, 1 cup of tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, a pinch of ginger, 1 peeler. Take a pan to heat, add butter, garlic, onions, let it sit for 30 seconds. Add tomato sauce, ginger, and salt and pepper. Stir it. Cook it for 1 minute, and then turn off heat. Add your carrots, lemon juice, mix, and on top add your parsley. You can add chicken, fish, or beef on top and serve. Please keep supporting us on Buy Me a Coffee. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Please click the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notification. Thank you, and see you next time on Cooking with Joy.